loan to value, which also is LTV, is a ratio, it's a percentage between the total amount of a property's mortgage, financing, and the property's appraised value or the selling or asking price, whichever is less. That's a key thing to remember. Whichever is less. So if a guy's asking for $1 million, but it appraises for 900, your LTV, the bank is going to give you a loan based on LTV most likely, and it's going to be whatever is less between those two amounts. Again, it's expressed as a percentage. If the selling price is indeed less than the appraised value, then again, I said this a second ago, the lender will base the LTV on that selling price. You will be tempted to argue that you negotiated a terrific deal and that you're buying below market, and that lender should use the higher appraised value to give you the LTV calculation. If you prevail, be sure to call a press conference because you will be the first investor ever to win this argument in front of a bank. So again, if you buy a good deal, great, but understand that that value you're buying it at, that's what they're going to assess your LTV at. If you were to purchase a home, for example, as a personal residence, the maximum LTV, the most the bank would ever lend you on that property would typically be for 80% for what we call a conventional mortgage. Okay? To put this in another way, you can borrow 80% of the value or that purchase price. $1 million, they'll give you a loan for $800,000. Private mortgage insurance and government programs such as FHA or the VA are available to help home buyers, making it possible for you to purchase homes with LTVs of up to almost 100%. So this is a huge advantage in residential real estate that we don't have in commercial real estate. We dream of. But for units, for single family homes and up to 4 units, which is residential, you can get loan offerings, programs, right, government-backed loans, of almost up to 100% finance, which means you put nothing down, okay, which is the dream of a dream. It's your entryway to get into owning a piece of real estate.